Hi, Bill Zeltman, the real estate guru. I'm coming at you with tip number 9 to make you the top realtor in your marketplace by using social media marketing. What is tip number 9? Another very simple one, and one that you would think is obvious, but I find that when I go around and look at people's social media sites, these items are missing, and that is your information. If there's a banner on your social media page, it should have your name, your email address, and your website and your phone number. Always, no matter what. Name, email, phone number, web address. Doesn't matter what order it's in, all 4 of those things need to be on there, as well as your brand. When you have an about section, fill out the about section, put this in there. If there's a call to action button, have that call to action button either be to go directly to your website or to call you. You want to make it as easy as possible for people to take action and for people to recognize and know who you are. So get your branding on every one of your pages and make sure it's easy access to get to your name of who you are, your website, your email address, and your phone number. Simple tip, but a tip that I find so many people just overlook. They're so quick to want to get their page up and get people on it and get content on it that they forget this very, very simple step. So take this step, go and look at all of your pages, make sure that all of that information, again, it's the 4 things. It's your name, it's your email address, phone number, and website. Make sure it's on everything that you do. I'm Bill Zeltman, the real estate guru, giving you 23 tips to enhance your social media marketing. Join us next time for tip number 10.